what you're seeing here is a design session that we did back in 2017. These are members of LAFC. So our season ticket members, which we did a really good job of selling season ticket memberships, well before the stadium even opened. And so that was a great thing for us. But we enlisted them. We brought in our customers, our fans, to have conversations around what we wanted in the stadium. So whether it was the functionality of our mobile app or how they wanted to purchase merchandise, for example, what the pre and post game experience could be. We worked with them and Heineken on a supporter. So we have a supporter section. It's European style, safe standing. The 3252 is our supporter union, which is made up of several supporter groups. And they had some great ideas that we took back to the folks at Heineken, and it really worked out to build this amazing experience for them. And so that's part of what we do. Is any technology that we're going to bring into our venue, or anything that we're going to pursue as an organization, is generally informed by our customer, because we listen to them and we want to understand what it is they want to see on event days, as well as from the club in general. And so that served us very well.